Hi there, I am Kelly Schaffner and I am so glad that you have joined me today. Today I have MM LaFleur. Welcome to my channel. I do unboxings of clothing subscriptions and clothing online shopping and clothing hauls. So if you like that type of video, you have come to the right place. Please make sure that you subscribe before you leave. Give this video a big thumbs up. It sure helps me out. And if you tap that bell, you will be notified every time I upload a video, and I would love to have you return. Do you know how hard it is for me when I come home from work and I find a box at my front door and I want to tear into it right away, but I also really enjoy filming it and sharing it with you. So I got a moment of quiet with some sunlight, and let's break into this MM LaFleur. MM LaFleur is a women's clothing company that specializes in high quality premium women's workwear. And I tried MM LaFleur earlier this year for the very first time, and I was very impressed with the quality. I wear a uniform to work, so I am not in need of a large work wardrobe. But I have purchased some pieces from MM LaFleur just as staples in my closet. From my last box, I purchased the Gibson 2.0 blazer, and I also purchased the leather belt. I will put those videos in the cards so you can look at my previous MM LaFleur unboxings if you like. So Jessica, my stylist, reached out to me and asked me if she could send me another Bento box so that I could look at some of their new pieces in their collections. And I love their clothing. I love it, and I want to share it with you. And let's see if there's anything in here that I can't live without. A Bento box is not a subscription. You will fill out a style quiz if you decide to do this, and they will pair you with a stylist. They take all your measurements and they send you clothing they think you might like. They also send a very nice stylist letter talking about the pieces and ways to pair them together. And this clothing is not cheap. I think of MM LaFleur clothing as investment pieces, so be forewarned. Envelope is a bag to return anything that I don't want. They do use UPS, so I have to drop this off at the UPS. Let's start with the jewelry. I have received some beautiful jewelry pieces from MM LaFleur, but truthfully, they've been out of my price range. They're beautiful, they're unique, but a little costly for me. Wow, this is just a gold chain with the bars in it. You see that? Isn't it pretty? Wow. Yeah, I like this. Very simple, very elegant. Our bundle. I did ask Jessica to send me colors because I think they're mostly work conservative. But isn't this pretty? It's so pretty. I feel like I'm getting a gift. So let's see what we have. I'm going to look at the prices as we go along here. This is the Seldorf necklace in yellow gold. Oh, this is a gold necklace. It's $135. And the next thing we have is the Angelou shawl in cream. And this is $265. Wow, this is beautiful. To keep or not to keep, that is the question. That's what the tag says. So, this is beautiful. What is this? Let's see if I can find what it's made of. Oh, 100% cashmere. Pretty. Okay, I'm gonna try that on for you with some of these outfits they have sent. You know how much I'm enjoying the orange blouses. And what do we have? Oh, what an interesting sleeve. That is so nice. And the attention to detail on MM LaFleur, as I try this on for you, I will discover all the secret little things they have done to make their items super special. But that sleeve is beautiful. I haven't seen anything like that. So this is beautiful. It is a little bit short, but I imagine it's meant to be worn with work pants, probably tucked in. This top is Jody top in Cayenne is the color. It's $225. Next we have a pant, the Oshima pant in russet, and oh, these are cute. These are a flat front pant, and they do have a seam down the back. I do have that right, yes. The seam is down the back of the pant. And do we have pockets? No pockets. So there is a side zip, side closure on these. You know, I'm sure these are going to fit beautifully. Is this? Oh, the Ashley dress in brick red. This is $165. And it's kind of got a cap sleeve on it and a square neckline. So that should be interesting. And, ooh, this is a pretty color green. This is a V-neck. Do we have, where does it say? Rainforest. This is the Aditi 2.0 dress, Rainforest. This is $195. Oh, I like this collar here. And we have a zip back. And, ooh, this one looks pretty. I like the color of this dress. This one is beautiful. Okay, this is a very substantial fabric. This is the Felissa 2.0 dress in jacquard, multicolored, and this dress is $265. And we have the wrap front. We have a leather belt here. We have pockets. This dress looks like so much fun. Let me get up close so you can see the fabric there. And, you know, one of the things I really like about MM LaFleur is the majority of their collection machine wash. So it just makes it really easy to wear these pieces. And actually, you know, they're functional. You can use them in your wardrobe. They're not just special occasion dresses. Let's try everything on and get a look at it. The Oshima pants, the Jody blouse, and the Seldorf necklace. This is the outfit. What do you think about these pants? Let me show you the length. Not sure if I'm comfortable with that length. These are not adjustable length. This is the length of the pants. I'll show you the back. And they feel really good. What do you think about this seam in the back of the pants? So they have this nice side closure, and there's also a button to keep them nice and flat on this panel. So these feel really nice. These pants are $195. This Jody top is $225. I do like this sleeve detail. I just think it's so unusual. It's a beautiful blouse, but I've received a couple beautiful orange blouses in the past month, and this is comparable to those. This is the Angelou shawl in cashmere, 100% cashmere, and it feels, I mean, cashmere feels like heaven. What do you think of this? I think this is just a really easy piece to put on, rush out of the house, look very, very put together. This is a really beautiful piece. Love to make this mine. This is the Ashley dress. This is in brick red, and it has a seam right here under the bust, which I think makes for a very flattering silhouette. It's got the kind of square neckline here, and let me stand back so you can see it. And here's the Ashley dress. This one is $165. This is the Aditi 2.0 dress in Rainforest. This is an amazing feeling dress. I've been wearing it around for a few minutes, and boy, it just moves so well with you. And that's one of the things that MM LaFleur takes into consideration when they're doing their design of these dresses, that all the different ways that we women move while we're at work. And I'm telling you, check it out. I mean, I could go to the gym in this dress. It really moves well with you. I like this neckline. There's a bit of a collar there, very high neckline with the modest V-neck, and it's sleeveless, but there is almost the appearance of a cap sleeve. So I like that. Check out the length. And we have this slit here. So I'm always a little concerned about how high up that slit goes, so let me know what you think about that. This dress is a winner in my book. It's $195, but the feel of this dress is amazing. I would like it in a lighter color because I do not work in an office, but I think this makes for very nice business wear. Last piece is the Felissa 2.0. This is in a multicolor. It's still a very dark fabric. Get up close so you can see. There is some color there, but it's still very muted. We've got these cap sleeves and the cross front. There's a nice little leather belt there with the tabs to hold it in place. We've got pockets. So I don't necessarily like the pockets because I don't like extra detail. I like flat front. The weight of this dress is much heavier than the other ones that I tried. So for me, living in a warm climate, not that crazy about the fabric of this dress, but let me show it to you. Here's the length. And I feel like I should be going to the office right now. So much fun trying these clothes. I really appreciate my stylist Jessica with MM LaFleur reaching out to me and asking me to try some of the new items in their spring collection, and I have enjoyed them. I am surprisingly pleased with that Aditi dress. That dress feels amazing on, and I appreciate that, a dress that I can do real life in. So I would love to hear your comments about the items I tried at MM LaFleur. If you are interested in getting a bento box, there is zero obligation. There is no styling fee. There is no deposits. They will curate a bento box for you and send it to you for you to try it on. I highly recommend it. It is high quality premium clothes, and it's very nice to try them on. Even if I can't buy them this time, I know in the future I will have an Aditi dress with my name on it. I thank you so much for joining me once again for another unboxing. If you enjoy unboxing videos, you've come to the right place. Please make certain to subscribe before you leave. Give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. And thank you once again for joining me. I have a trend send coming. 2 days. Look out for my trend send. It will be here in 2 days. God bless you.